today, I've already sent the topic we are going to be discussing today. So I said we are going to be talking about introduction to market analysis. We are getting into it small. We are getting into it small. So today we'll be talking about introduction to what? To market analysis, where we are going to be talking about the type of market analysis that we have. Then we are going to be talking about a trader and his or her trades. That is, if you say you are a trader, what does it mean when you say you are a trader? This person that is saying I should, please, I really want you to teach me, please. Join the class. Join the ongoing class. So, sorry guys. So we are going to be talking about the types of market analysis. What are the types of market analysis that we have? Then we are going to be talking about a trader and his trades. Because all of us want to be a trader. If you say I'm a trader, what does it mean to say you are a trader? What type of trader are you? Do you understand? What do you trade? Do you understand? All those things you have to know it. You understand? Then introduction to CEXs and futures. CEXs means centralized exchange. Centralized exchange. Example of all these centralized exchange are all these Bybit, all these Binance, and all other exchanges like that. That's where you take your trades. Do you understand? Then we are going to be talking about introduction to TradingView as well. We'll be talking about introduction to TradingView as well. So this TradingView is an app. So what we do with TradingView is that we analyze. TradingView is just like a store. You know, all these Abba boys, all these Igbos that normally sell something to you. You know, they will have their store and they will have where their shop, like their market. Do you understand? On market day, they will carry their stuffs, their goods and services. They will take it to the market square. Do you understand? So that background, that backyard, that back end where you package your goods and services, where you polish it, you package it, brand it, everything, is what we refer to as TradingView. So it's TradingView that you do use to do your analysis. Okay, you want to long, this is where you want to long from, this is where you want to short from. Do you understand? Before you now go to exchanges. Exchanges is like a market square where you now enter the market. Maybe you want to long or short. We are going to be talking about all of this one after the other. So when we say type of market analysis, but guys, as you are in class, please, I want you to make sure that you are writing, and also you can use one hand to actually send the group link. Send the group link to post it on your status, send it to your friends. You can post it on Twitter. Do you understand? Let people join us. We are reducing, and I'm not very, very happy with that. Over 2,000 students, and we have 65 students only. So let's share it. Let's share the link out. So this person message me. So let's share the link out. So now let's continue. So what are the types of market analysis that we have? We have about 5 types of market analysis. So I'm going to be telling you one after the other. So as a trader, what are the type of analysis that you must know? You can write it as a trader. What are the type of analysis that you must know? Number 1, you must know technical analysis. You must know all about what? Technical analysis. Is it that Godzilla want to talk or what? Why is he raising up his hand? So you must know about what? The types. Number 1 is what? You must know about what? Technical analysis. You must know everything about what? Technical analysis. Number 2 that you must know is fundamental analysis. Number 2 is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis. Number 3 that you must know is what we refer to as sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis. Number 4 that you must know is on-chain analysis. On-chain analysis. But This on-chain analysis, if you like, you might not write it because this one is actually pertaining to DeFi. So it's pertaining to another aspect of crypto. Do you understand? It's not really pertaining to futures trading, to normal trading, that like crypto trading or forex trading that I want the aspect that we actually like specialize on. Do you understand? So if like you might not write it, but the way I always like to teach my students is the fact that, and if anybody want to question you, or maybe anybody just want to try as much as well to just like ask you one thing, maybe just to see if you are really solid or not. Do you understand? So I always like as try as much as possible to let you know all you are supposed to know, and I will tell you the one that are important and the one that are not important. In medical school, there is something we refer to as toxic. There are important stuff and there are toxic stuff. Toxic stuff is just to like impress your other colleagues or to impress non-medical students. Do you understand? But the important stuff are something that they are going to ask you, something that you must know. Do you understand? So the same way this on-chain analysis is. So let me just quickly talk about this on-chain analysis. What does it mean and what does it entail? Since we are not going to be using it as a trade. Sorry, my network. Sorry about that. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can
Okay.
hear you, sir.
So I stopped at I said on-chain analysis. What that one does is that you are is a type of analysis whereby what you are just trying to do is that you are monitoring what the whales are doing. Like you will be tracking the whales wallet. Do you understand? So if a particular whale bought a particular coin, then you quickly go and buy it too. Do you understand? If you see that this whale is actually like is actually um profitable. Do you understand? So you'll be monitoring the wallet. If you see that he bought this particular coin, you quickly go and buy. If you see that he has sold this particular coin, you quickly go and sell it too. Do you understand? So that's that about on-chain analysis. But nothing concerns us with that as a trader. What we are concerned about is technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, then top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Now, what does all these types of analysis that I told you, what does it entails? To you, as a trader, you need 4 types of analysis. Number 1, technical. Number 2, fundamental. Number 3, sentimental. And number 4 is what? Top-down analysis. Now, let's take it one after the other. Now, when we say technical analysis, this is actually like the hardest part of it and the one that will actually take most of your time. But I'm going to take you through everything. Do you understand? And I'm going to make sure that I make it as easier as possible for you. Do you understand? So for technical analysis, what does it entail and what is it all about? Technical. I'm very sure in your secondary school you did technical drawings, right? So it's not just like the name. You know, there are some definition that they will say, what is this so and thing in your school, and you say like just from the name, this thing means this thing. No, technical analysis doesn't mean that it is technical. No, it's not something that is difficult. Do you understand? So, but technical analysis just from your secondary school that they taught you technical drawing. You know, technical drawing like you are plotting some things, drawing some angle of elevation, angle of depression, drawing some 90-degree, drawing house plan and everything like that. Do you understand? So, and that time you know that everything you are doing, you are using ruler, you are using everything to make sure that it is straight. You don't just use your hand to draw it. You are using your T-square drawing board and likes like that. The same way this technical analysis is. What you are just doing is that you'll be plotting. But the difference between that one and this one is the fact that in this one, this technical analysis, everything that you need, all the tools that you need, all the instrument, equipment, and everything that you need have been simplified and everything is on TradingView. Everything is on what? TradingView. So you can download a TradingView app. You are going to see, if you are using system, you just go to Chrome, just search for TradingView, trading and view, VIEW, like you want to view something. Do you understand? But if you are using your phone or your tab, you can just download it on App Store or Play Store, TradingView. So that's that about that. I'm going to be walking us through how to like get familiar with TradingView later on. But now, what does technical analysis means and what is it about? Is that it deals with candlestick. You can write it. Technical analysis deals with what? Candlesticks and charts. Candlesticks and charts. It deals with candlesticks and charts. So I'm very sure that if you see something like you guys you've been seeing, like if you say you are trading or you are anything that you want to write that involves money or investment or anything, you'll be seeing some red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. You understand? Something like bars. That is what we refer to as what? Candlesticks. And if we combine all those candlesticks together, is what we refer to as what? Charts. Do you understand? So all those candlesticks and charts that you are seeing, they are trying to let us know what has happened, like the price of a particular commodity or a particular goods and services that has happened in the past. Do you understand? So now you now analyzing what has happened in the past in order to deduce what will happen in the future is referred to as what? Technical analysis. In order not to bore you with too much English, you can just write technical analysis. You will now say deals with past. You understand? Deals with past. That is, for example, now, Bitcoin. There has been some time that Bitcoin was at $20,000. There was a time Bitcoin was at $30,000. But currently, Bitcoin is around like $59,000. But all those prices that has happened in the past is what we refer to as, by you analyzing it and being like, okay, Bitcoin has actually went to 72,000 before. Now that we are in 59,000, it means that maybe Bitcoin is going back to that $72,000 that it has been in the past before. That is what you are now trying to look at it. Okay, what is the probability that it will go up or come down currently is what refers to as what? Technical analysis. Please, are we all on the same page? Afis, am I making sense?
I'm with you, sir. It's making sense.
Okay. So technical analysis deals with what? With the past. Sky Billion, can you hear me? Sky Billion. Okay. I need one. Okay. Godzilla, can you hear me?
Yes.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
I
Okay.
can hear
Are you
you. I can hear you.
understanding what I've been talking about?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So that's that about technical analysis. So later on, we will now be talking about what does technical, like that's just like the meaning of technical analysis. Later we'll now be talking about, okay, this technical analysis, so how do we analyze it? Do you understand? So we'll be talking about that one later. Now, fundamental analysis. What does fundamental analysis deals with? You can just put it, fundamental analysis, you now put your column and say deals with present. It deals with present. You know, technical analysis deals with what? Past. Fundamental analysis deals with what? Present. Now, this technical analysis, fundamental analysis, it deals with news. It deals with news around a particular coin or a particular currency. News around a particular coin or a particular currency. If you are a crypto trader, you will just be concerned about news around that particular coin. If you are a forex trader, you'll be dealing with news around that particular currency. Do you understand? Now, not only that, you understand and you note that all these traders, you just see them, or you'll be seeing them, all of them will just be listening to news, not all this Nigeria NTA news. So I'm talking about real world news, like world news, like from Twitter, even there are some channels too. Do you understand? So those news. So, but does that one now mean that okay, you have to be sitting down and be listening to news too because you want to know actually? Because news is not always every day. There are some times that news are dropped. Do you understand? Like news that affects the market. Some example is all this NFP news that every Friday of the last month or first Friday of the month. That's when they drop NFP news. We have something like FOMC news. We have CPI news. When we get to fundamental analysis proper, I'm going to be telling you about all the type of news that we have and how to interpret them and how to trade them. Do you understand? So, but fundamental analysis, it deals with what? News. All this US election that is happening right now is affecting the markets. Israel and the Israel war and everything is affecting the markets. Do you understand? So all those kind of news, that is what you actually need to know about it as a trader. Let's say, for example, now you don't know that there is a news that okay, well, maybe there is a war somewhere, and they were now people that the country is now selling their Bitcoin or something. You didn't know. You just go and long Bitcoin. You see that you hit stop loss. Do you understand? So you need to be familiar with news too as a what as a trader. So after that, we now move towards sentimental analysis. So just that one, just from the name, sentiment. That is what people are saying about the market, what people feel about the market. Do you understand? So sentimental analysis, people's sentiment about the market, people's emotion about the market, people's view about the market. There are some times that I'm very sure that one or two, there's no, maybe like you two, you've bought maybe one or two coins before. You'll just be hearing, this thing is going, it will move, it will go to this, so, and so. Because of that, you keep holding. You will not know that it's time for you to sell. But because everybody is hyping the coin, everybody is hyping it, this will be like, this thing will go up true, you were holding before it turns to dust, before they dump on you. So that is what sentimental analysis. Now, how do we now analyze what everybody is saying? Like, because we have different types of trader and we have many traders, plenty traders around the world, all around the world. So how will I know what traders in US are thinking about the market? How will I know what traders in Asian countries are thinking about the market? All these things, there is an indicator for it. There is a tool for it. Do you understand? So we'll talk about that one too when we get to a sentimental analysis proper. But you can just write it somewhere, like just like in the bracket. The tools is actually Fear and Greed Index, FGI, Fear and Greed Index, and Bitcoin Dominance. Fear and Greed Index and Bitcoin Dominance. So we'll look at that thing. Do you understand? If it is positive, it has a meaning and it has something you're supposed to do as a trader. Do you understand? So all those things we are going to be mentioning, we'll be talking about it. If you see Fear and Greed Index, from the name, fear and greed. So if there is fear in the market, it will be red and it has meaning. There is something you're supposed to do as a market, as a trader. Are you supposed to be longing or are you supposed to be shorting? Everything. When we get to sentimental analysis, we are going to tell you everything about it and interpret everything for you. Do you understand? Now, the last type of analysis that concerns you as a trader is what? Top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Just from the name. Top, like Buhari said, from top to bottom. Do you understand? So top-down analysis. What that one means is that normally, as a good trader that know what he or she is doing, so what you are supposed to do is that you firstly start from higher time frame. What is the grand scheme of things? What is the overview of what the market is saying? Then you now start fine-tuning it. You now start coming down small to lower time frames. Okay, what is now happening now? Like you firstly check what is happening throughout this week, what is the market saying? Is the market going up or coming down? Throughout today, is the market going up or coming down? In the past 4 hours, is the market going up, coming down? In the past 1 hour, is the market going up or coming down? Before you now want to enter the market now, can now say, okay, since the market has been going up throughout last week, throughout today, throughout in the past 4 hours. So now that I want to enter the market, I should be looking at how to what? To also look for how to long, so that I can also like buy the market. So do you understand? So, but that is all about what? Top-down analysis. When we get there too, we are going to talk about it. Do you understand? Do we all understand the type of what analysis now? Do we all understand the types of market analysis now?
Yes, boss.
Okay, nice.
Yes, sir.
So can I continue? Can I proceed to the next topic? So what's
Yes,
the
sir.
next
Yes, boss.
topic? I think the next topic is a trader and his trades. A trader and his trades. A trader and his trades. So now everybody wants to become a trader. All of us want to become a trader. That's why we are here this night, right? So what does it mean to be a trader? Who is a trader? Who is a trader? You can see that I know some of you will be like, we should start this thing on time now. Let's start analyzing. Let's start drawing chart. No, you need to understand what you are doing. What is your goal? What is your what are you even doing? That will be something that will be pushing you. That will be something that will even be giving you the motivation to actually continue. Do you understand? So even if you say you know how to analyze, do everything, and they now ask who are you? You say I'm a trader. Who is a trader? Or how can you tell your younger brother that you are a trader? Do you understand? So all those things we need to know about it. So if we say who is a trader, you can actually search for it on Google or anywhere just to know it. Do you understand? But it's just sorry, the network is actually like rugging this next. So now, who is a trader? A trader is simply someone that take advantage of its technical analysis skills and also other types of analysis. Or it's just someone that has the ability to analyze the market in order to make profits. A trader is someone that takes advantage of his analysis skills in order to make profits from the market. From the market. Do you understand? So now this market is, I said someone that take advantage of his analysis skills in order to make profits from the market. We all know what analysis is now. We all know the types of analysis now. Now, profit. What does profit means? We all know that one from our since our secondary school days, even till now. You know what profit means. Now, then the last key term, which is what? Market. I'm not talking about because I say to make profit from the market. I'm not saying Lagos market or Abuja market or any other type of market that is at your state. Do you understand? Because what we are trading is not physical products. What you are trading is virtual, it's online. Do you understand? But they have real world use case. Do you get? So now this market that we are talking about is what we have 3 types of markets that we trade as a trader, which is 1 is crypto, 2 is forex, 3 is stocks. Crypto, forex, stocks. Do you understand? So those are the 3 major markets that we trade as a trader. Do you get? So now, as a trader, there are differences between you and other types of people. Let's say in the crypto space now, what differentiates a trader from other aspects of crypto is that, let's say for example, Bitcoin is dumping now. A lot of people will be crying because why? They bought a particular coin or a particular token that is losing its value. Do you understand? But as a trader, one of the advantage that you have is that since you have the ability to analyze the market, you know that this thing is going to drop. You will short the market. You predict that the market should come down. Do you understand? And if the market respects your analysis, you are in profits. You will see that we are going down. Everybody is in a state of fear. They are selling off their coins. You see that this thing is going to go up now. You bought some, you keep some, and also you long the market. And if the market follows your analysis, you are in profit. You see that you actually have an edge towards other types of crypto enthusiasts or crypto people. Do you understand like that? So whether we are in a bull season or we are in a bear season, whether the market is pumping or the market is dumping, as a trader, you always eat good. As a trader, you always make profit. But one thing that will make you to always make profit is when you know your onions well, when you know how to analyze these markets, which I will be taking you through throughout these 2 weeks of free class. Now, there are now types of traders. That is a trader. Now, what are the types of traders that we have? You must know all these things so that you can classify yourself. Do you understand? So what are the types of traders that we have? So these types of traders will classify it according to 3 categories. Do you understand? According to 3 categories. But it doesn't mean that you will actually be in one category. You can be in one category and still be in the second category. Do you understand? So but when I explain it to you, you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, what are the types of traders? I say we can classify according to what? 3 categories. Number 1, we classify traders according to the time frame that they are trading. According to the time frame that they are trading. Have you written that? According to what? Time frame. Number 2 is according to your lot size or according to the amount of capital that you have. Number 2 is according to lot size. You can put or what? Capital that you have according to your capital. A $10 trader is different from a $1 million trader. It's different from a $30 million trader. Do you understand? So according to what? Your capital. According to your what? To your capital. Number 3 is a trader according to psychology and reality. Trader according to your what? Psychology and reality. Trader according to what? Psychology and reality. Have you written the 3? So what do I call the number 1? Is according to what?
According
Number 1,
to time frame.
according to time frame. Number 2, trader according to what?
According to
lot size or capital.
Or margin. Number 3 is according to what?
the psychology and the
And
reality.
reality. Oh, nice. So now, this trader according to time frame, you can either be a day trader or a swing trader. You can either be a day trader or a swing trader. So let me just explain what that one is. A day trader, you open trade today and close that trade today. Do you understand? That's a day trader. You are just concerned about how much do you make today? How much do you make today? So what you are just doing is that you are catching small price change. A day trader, you just look at it. So you enter, maybe you can enter by 8 o'clock, maybe by 10 o'clock. So sorry, network is really messing with me. So number 1, I said you can be a day trader or swing trader. Day traders, they will open trade today and make sure they close the trade today. Do you understand? So that's a day trader. You understand? Then swing traders. Who are the swing traders? this type of people, whether they are in profit or they are in loss, they hold their trade for a very long period of time. Most especially, it can be for weeks, it can be for months, it can be for years. Yes, there are some people that hold their trade, a particular position, for years. They will not close it. There are some people that they've been holding Bitcoin. When Bitcoin, like they open trade, they long it when Bitcoin was at 20,000, and Bitcoin is at 59,000 now, and they still haven't closed their trade. Those are the type of people we call what? Swing traders. Even if they are in like minus $100,000 loss, as long as it has not hit their stop loss or where they want to liquidate from, they are not going to close the trade. They can be in loss for 2 months, 3 months. They are not going to close it. So you should know that those kind of traders, they are traders that are very patient and they have a very strong psychology. Do you understand? So they hold trade for a long period of time. It can be for months, it can be for years. Sorry, the network. I said, according to the swing traders, they can hold for what? For months, for years. So now the second type of traders is what? Traders according to what? According to margin, your capital, your lot size. So you can either be a retail trader or what? Or an institutional trader. You can either be a retail trader or what? Or an institutional trader. So now, what does retail trader means? These people are everybody on this group, though I don't know everybody yet. So you understand? I'm sorry, Sha. So, but majority of people that are trading are retail traders. Why? Because we are using what? Small capital. We are using small capital. Now, institutional traders, just from the name, institution, they are all these like financial institutions, all these banks, major banks. You understand? CBN trade. Do you know that CBN is trading? CBN trades. All these big banks in US, they trade. Do you understand? They trade too. So banks, institutional traders, venture capitalists, there are some company that they just collect money from big investors. So they pool their funds together. So they are now using it to trade. Those ones are what? Institutional traders. They deal with what? Big amount of money, like $1 million, $2 million. Do you understand? To enter market, like a single position. The one that you are using $1 to enter. The one you are using $10 to enter. They are using $1 million, $2 million to enter market, $10 million. So those are the what? Are the institutional traders. Do you understand? So those ones, if they enter the market, if they enter buy, the market will pump. Bah, bah. If they enter sell, like if they dump a particular thing, the market will come down. Bah. So therefore, those institutional traders, we call them the big boys of the market. The big boys of the market. Some people call them the market movers. The market movers. The market movers. You to come to think about it, you are longing market with $10. You know, it's not significant in the market. Let's say like Solana is at $10 now. You know, like the law of demand and supply. If they are selling pure water for 10 naira, they are selling pure water for 10 naira. All of us, we are buying. Some people will come, they will buy it for, they will buy, I need 2 bags. You understand? But let's now say someone just come and say 10 naira, please, I need I need 20 bags. And that seller has only 20 bags. The seller might decide that, no, I want to sell it for, I'm not selling 30 naira again. I want to sell it for 50 naira. Since they have the money, they will buy it all. Do you understand? They have that money to buy it all. What happened? So those big movers, if they want to buy, the price will go up. If they want to sell, the price will come down. Do you understand now? I think I've made enough sense there. So they are the what? Market movers, the big boys of the market. Now, you should know now that if they say, are you an institutional trader? You will say no. You say no. But later you can still say yes. What will make you to say yes is the type of strategy that you are using. Because there are some strategy that we call institutional trading strategy. Institutional trading strategy. There are all these SMC, all these ICT concepts. Do you understand? So what that one does this with is that, you know, all these big market movers, all these institutional traders, if they enter the market and long, the market will go up. So you, as a retail trader that is having small amount of money, you are not going to be entering the market anyhow. Just like the way I explained on chain for you, you are going to be monitoring them. When they long, there's no how you see it on the market that it's not ordinary person that did this thing. It's actually an institution, a bank that did this. Do you understand? So they will always leave an hint for them that they are coming back to this particular place where they bought from. So you, as a smart trader, that's why they call them people that trade institutional strategy. They call them smart money trader. As a smart person, you know that since they are coming back, so you go and wait patiently for them there, and they will surely come back there. So you will now enjoy the ride with them. Am I making sense? Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, but
Okay.
Yes,
yes,
we
but
are getting it.
So those are the then market a bit types of trader. A trader, according to psychology, the third type, according to psychology or reality, there are two. You can either be a profitable trader or a non-profitable trader. You can either be a profitable trader or a non-profitable trader. That's just the reality. Because one thing I want you to know about the market is that there are only two participants in the market, a buyer and a seller. So if the buyers are making profits, definitely the sellers are losing their money, because you are not going to see the money from anywhere else in the market. The market is a money change. It's a money exchange from one person to another. Do you understand? That's why you must know your onions well. You must know how to analyze very well, so that you always be at what? At the safer side. You understand? Even it's not every time you'll be making profits, yeah. But at the same time, when you look at it, because you can see our market too. If you check the chart, it's not every time it's going up. It will be going up, then it will come down small. We call it retracement. It will still go up, come down small. You understand? So you can now be winning every time. You win, you lose. You win, you lose. Even you can lose, you win. But at the end of the day, if you look at it overall, you see that okay, you are still profitable. Do you understand? So now a quick question. According to psychology now and reality, what type of trader do you want to become? What type of trader do you want to become?
everybody is profitable.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to become.
Thank you very much, Avis. So everybody wants to be what? A profitable trader. But mind you, being a profitable trader comes with its own rudiments, such as you have to sacrifice. It comes with sacrifice. So make all of us go know very well now. It comes with what? Sacrifices. Nothing good comes easy. It comes with, you have to be deeply rooted in knowledge. You have to be deeply rooted in knowledge. You don't need a lot of knowledge, because too much of knowledge leads to analysis paralysis. Like if you know too much everything, you learn from somewhere. They are saying if you see this one and this one, it means you should short. You learn from another place will say if you see this one and this one, you should short. You learn from another, that's why I say if you see this one and this one, you should short. In your own brain now, it means that if you see this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one, you should short. 6 things. That's why anybody you stick with, even if it is YouTube you want to, that's the disadvantage of YouTube. A lot of strategies are there. And that's one thing about free things. If it is really working, do you think people will be putting it out there for everybody to be seeing? No. Do you understand? So let's say you just stick with one person. If it is one channel you stick with, you must be able to finish all the videos that person did so that you get all the knowledge about that thing. If it is one mentor you want to stick with, make sure you know everything about that mentor, like all things that the mentor is using, before you can now say, okay, maybe I'm profitable or I'm not profitable. Because if you are jumping from one place to another, half knowledge is even dangerous than ignorance. An half-baked trader is more dangerous than ignorance. Why? Because half-baked now, you are already exposed to it. You already know how it works. But you never know where and what to do. Do you understand? What happened? You start losing your money. Whereas an ignorant person, he doesn't know that something like that exists. He's just doing his own normal 9 to 5. He's struggling to make sure that he buys his own Lambo at 67 years old, or at 70 years old, at 90 years old. Why? Because he's saving from the salary that they are giving him or her. Do you understand? So an half-baked knowledge is even more deadlier and costlier than what? Than ignorance. So anybody you want to stick with, make sure that you learn everything about that particular strategy that person is using, and try your hands on it too. Make sure you work with it too before you can now say, okay, let me now go and learn from another person. If you want to learn from another person, you should look for someone that has knowledge in what the strategy you are already using. Do you understand? So that you can now build on it, like be more exposed on it. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So, and another thing is that now, let's say you learn this particular strategy now, or this particular concept. Firstly, have that primary knowledge from someone first. Once you don't master that one, even if you now get to YouTube, what you just want to do on YouTube is that you want to filter the noise. You want to filter all other strategies that is on YouTube. You just want to go and look for the one that you are working with. Do you understand? That you already know about. Do you understand? Another rudiment or things that you need to become a profitable trader is that you need experience. You need what? Experience. I'm not richer than some people, and some people are richer than me. Why? Because of the years of experience that they have in this market. Abi Forex, Jeffrey Benson, Ahmed XM, Dr. Bills, Dax, all of them like that. They have more experience in the market than I do, than the way some of us do on this call tonight. That's why they have more evidence more than we do. Do you understand? So just like what I've told you before, you have to give it time. Experience is not something that you just know everything today. No, it's over time. Experience is over time. Do you understand? Experience is what? Is over time. Another thing you need mentorship. Let me not lie to you. Hope OG is not using style to tell us that we should come and subscribe to his mentorship. No, my own mentorship might be expensive. If you know one of your friends that is really, really making it in this particular market that we are talking about, please pay to that person. He will hold your hand. He will tell you this is how to do it, this is how not to do it, this is how he will, from his own mistakes, he's going to tell. Another thing I tell some of my students is that, see, if you go to YouTube, this is what and what you should look for. Like, you cannot see my student that is going to YouTube and just go and look, moving from one channel to another. No, they know what they are looking for. Maybe I teach them something today. They just go and like learn more thing about. If they get to that place and that person is saying more than like more, you know that this thing is toxic. I don't need this one. This is the strategy I want to master. Do you understand? So you need mentorship. Someone that someone that you can quickly message. Please, I'm having problem with this particular place. Oh, okay. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. You understand? I'm not getting this thing. Okay, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. So you need mentorship. If it is your friend, please, you pay to that person. Another thing is that If you pay to someone, you don't know that obviously and definitely you want to make your money back from that particular thing. It's a sign of seriousness. That's why we are paying money in school too. Why? Don't you see it that after you pay school fees, you see that you don't want to fail. If school is free, you are not paying money. Do you think I don't fucking care if I spend 20 years in school, nothing concerns me? Do you understand? But you are paying money. That's another mentality. Anything you pay for, you know that I need to be serious with this thing. So for you to be serious with this trading, so that the 2 weeks that we now did will not be a waste, please look for one particular method that you've been studying for a while and you see that this particular person is real, doesn't make noise too much, because there are some people that they make noise. When you enter, that's when you know that I've been scammed. Don't look for someone that is too popular. There are some people that I can never pay for again. Like I can never pay for it, because how will I pay for a class and we are 1,000 in the class, a paid class, 1,000. How many people do I want to message? How many messages will you read? That's by the way. So you need mentorship. You can even do it in such a way that you guys can come together, like 2 or 3 people. Just come together and look for one of your friend that is already doing this thing and is already seeing, you guys are seeing evidence in him or her. Do you understand? And let him be putting you through. Do you understand? Like that. So another thing that you need connection. You need connection. See, nobody is an island of knowledge. The reason why you were able to come in contact with me was because you know a friend. That friend posted the link. You joined. Before you now say, what these people are doing are actually a real something, and you come for day 1, day 2, you are here in day 3. You need connection. Then that your friend is also on this group. So you say, my friend, Alpha now, I beg, let's get serious with this thing. Can we create a WhatsApp group? You understand? What do you learn today? What do I learn today? Can we go and look for more things? You understand? From there, you are starting something. You are betting something great. Every great thing starts with something from one step, a single step. You've taken that step. You need determination. You need to be determined. Do you want to be collecting just salary alone? Is your salary alone enough for you? Is the pocket money that they are giving you at home, is it enough for you? It's not enough for me. Then you need to be determined. Be determined that some people have made money through this thing. I'm also going to make money through this thing. I might not make much, but I must make money through this thing. You need to be determined. You need to be disciplined. You need to have a positive mindset. Have a positive mindset towards trading and believe that you can make money through trading. You can make money from trading too. 19 years old people, boys and girls are doing it. 16 years old boys and girls are doing it. 20 years old boys and girls are doing it. They full Twitter. So you said you can do it. And I'm very happy that you have 1 or 2 characters of this particular thing that I've talked about, of a profitable trader, like determination. That's discipline. Every 9 o'clock you join the class. You understand? And you believe that you say, I can make money from this particular thing. And you are also on the verge of seeking knowledge. That's why you are here. So therefore, you should know that this particular trading is you actually make money from it. Do you understand? So you said you don't see that you have that trait of profitability in you. Do you understand? So please, I want you to know that there is enough money in trading. Like there is real money in trading. You are seeing them now online. Like there is money in trading. Like there is money in trading, because if you have that skills, you can use it to do anything. You can use that skill, you can apply it to anything. But for you to be profitable, for you to also say that there is money in trading, you have to filter the noise. So and be focused and make sure that until I make it, I'm not backing down. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So that's that about the psychology aspects of what? Of being a profitable trader. Now, what are the other requirements that you need to be a profitable trader? The requirement that you need to be a profitable trader. You need a phone. You know, our own market is not Lagos market. It's not Abuja market. There is no market square. Do you understand? Our own market is online. So you need a phone or maybe an iPad or a tab or a laptop. You just need a gadget. Do you understand? You need a TradingView app. You need TradingView app. You need an exchange. You need an exchange. Example of all these exchange, we have Binance, we have Bybit, KuCoin. Then for forex people, you need MT4, MT5. Do you understand? So you need a journal for recording your trades. Journal, you can be using just a notebook for now. Like you be like, okay, I entered this particular trade by this particular so. The reason why I enter is because the market is at resistance or at support. Do you understand? So you be journaling, you be like documenting it so that you can be reviewing it after the week. Do you understand? The last but not the least, you need a pattern or a strategy that works for you. One thing that you must know is that even if I teach you this thing finish, you have to sit down and carve out your own strategy, like what suits you. Understand? So you need a working strategy or a pattern. Do you understand? So you need that particular strategy that you will be using. That if you see A equals to B, it means I must long. So let me long. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So don't forget that we are still considering a trader, like a trader, but by now you already know a trader, who is a trader, the types of trades or traders. Do you understand? Now, another thing that you must know as a trader, learn before you earn. You have to learn before you earn. That's just the law. Obviously, something that you don't know about, how do you now expect that you want to make money from there? You understand? So you have to learn before you earn. So learning is that you are just removing the L. You know, learn and earn is just the fact that you just remove that L. So for you not to be losing, that L is losing, is loss. For you not to be losing to the market before you now say, this market is not for me, you have to learn about it, learn how it works. Do you understand? So that's that about that. So now, please, can we go on and talk about trades now? You know, it's a trader and it's trades. Can we talk about trades?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let's continue.
Can we continue? Let me hear from another person too. I see some people are leaving this thing already. Or let me not bore you. This is almost 1 hour. I want people to be coming every day so that it will not be this thing is always long, Jerry. Should we take the trades in another day? So what we are going to do is that for that trades, let me just quickly take trade and its trades. Then we'll now talk. I've talked about type of traders already, so that one is done. Then it will just remain introduction to centralized exchange and futures. Then introduction to TradingView. We can also talk about introduction to MT4 and MT5 tomorrow. So for the trades just means it's not it's not tomato, it's not yam that we are doing in as a trader. What do we deal with? We deal with cryptos. Example of crypto, we have Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, ADA, and so on like that. for forex traders, we have currency pairs. Example is all these GBP USD, that's Great Britain pounds. We have NZD, we have New Zealand dollars, CAD, that's Canadian dollars. Do you understand? All the currencies of the world. All the currencies of the world is actually what we trade in forex. But now we say currencies of the world, but we not talk about Nigeria. What of Naira? We don't trade Naira in forex. Why? Because the country itself is not tradable. Our country just did somehow. May God help us. Do you understand? So we don't even make we no go there. So that's that about trades. So that's what we do in trades. Do you understand? So now, where do we trade? Where do we carry out all these trades? On Binance, on Bybit, and other centralized exchange like that, like BitGet, CoinX. You understand? CoinW. There are a lot of exchange, but the common ones, Bybit, Binance. So if you don't have Bybit and Binance, just go and download it. Bybit and Binance. Go and download it. Do you understand? So that's for where crypto traders take their trades. What of forex traders? So you can go and download MT4 or MT5. You can download any of it, MT4 or MT5. You understand? Then you can download an XNES app too. Download XNES app. So that's that about that. Now, that is where we carry out our trades. Now, where do we now analyze what we want to trade? That's like a store where we do our analysis before we now say, okay, this thing will go up or this thing will come down. Is what TradingView. So tomorrow, I'm going to take us through what's like all this P&L that you are seeing. How is it being made? How do we enter trades? How do we take profits, stop loss, everything? Do you understand? So I'm going to take you through that one tomorrow. Then also for MT4 to how to see what is stop loss, what is take profit, what is lot size, what is PIP. I'm going to take you towards that through that one too tomorrow. Do you understand? Then TradingView too. We are going to navigate through TradingView. What is the horizontal lines, vertical line, rectangle, like all the tools that we use in TradingView. 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. I'm going to take you through that one too tomorrow. So we are becoming more. We are moving towards the activity aspects of the class. You understand? We are moving towards the practical aspect of the class. So I want you guys to be coming every day and let us be coming on time so that we can be covering enough ground and also be making sure that we still use our 1 hour, 10 o'clock. Let everybody go and continue doing what they are doing. Do you understand? So any question? Thank you very much for coming to class, everybody. So any question? Any question? A lot of people are raising up their hand. Please, if you are not saying anything, you can don't tap that raise hand. Oh yeah, you can ask your question. If you see that you have been unmuted, just ask your question. Ask your question. Oh. Nobody is having question.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
My question is, as a trader,
Yes.
the best device you can recommend as a beginner for market analysis, is it laptop, tablet, or smartphone?
That's a very good question. Very good question. Thank you very much for that question. So if you see some traders, you are going to be seeing them using like 10 system, 10 big screen, right? You've been seeing some traders using like 5, 6, or 4 big screen, right?
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
See, all those screens doesn't mean, it just shows that, okay, it's just packaging, and also shows that you are actually serious with what you are doing. You understand? So, like, don't be surprised that I'm still using my phone to analyze. And if I'm teaching, like, as I'll be teaching you, I'll be using my phone to do all the analysis that we want to be doing, to teach you how to do everything we want to be doing. I still use my phone. Though I use my system too at times. Do you understand? But that's like me, I'm even battling with network at my site. Like, network is very, very poor in this school. Do you understand? So I don't really use my system, because I will have to wait for this before I will see better network. Yeah, so I'm still using I use my phone. So the reason why people are using big screen or using laptop is because, just as if you are using, just like the way people prefer using tab to read more than reading on their phone. Why? Because the letterings will be bigger. Do you understand? It's the same thing you are saying. Do you understand? The same way that people are going to the cinema to go and watch a movie, to go and see a movie, whereas they can see it on their phone or laptop. You understand? But they want to see the characters very well, like boldly, very well. But it's still the same scene they are seeing. Not like he's showing 2 or 3 scenes together. No. But they just want to see it bigger. They want to see the candles bigger so that they can interpret the information bigger. That's why they are really looking for bigger screens or bigger. You can use any word, anything. And even the phone is even easier to analyze than system. Another thing is that you can be in school. Do you understand? You can be in class safe. At times I trade inside class. So you can be in class. Once you are very familiar with how to use your phone, you know that I don't see that. So you just enter trades instead of waiting till 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock when you get to your hostel before you start analyzing again. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I
Have I
understand.
answered your question now?
You've answered my question, but there's one more thing I want to ask.
Yes,
I,
go ahead.
I heard you talk about institutional traders.
Yes.
Now, and you mentioned something like waiting for them. Those that are the smart traders that waiting for them.
Yes.
Now, the past event,
Yes.
the past event of what has happened in the past,
Yes.
I think most times is determines the future.
Yes. That's what we call
Um,
technical analysis.
okay, sir. Okay,
Did
sir.
you join the class from the beginning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I joined in the middle.
I've talked about that. Did you join when we talked about types of market analysis?
Yeah, yeah.
Where we talk about
The
technical,
fundamental.
fundamental. So that technical, right? What we use is that we use charts. Now, I said institutional traders, they will leave a hint. They will always leave a hint for you that they are coming back to this place. So as a smart trader, you wait for them to come back, then you ride it with them. Do you understand? Everything is still candles. It's still candles. It will be on the charts. Do you understand? It will have happened though. Do you understand? But you know that when the market is coming back to that place, this is what it's going to do. Do you understand?
Okay,
So
sir.
that's how it is. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, sir.
So yeah, you are welcome. You can
Hello,
ask.
sir. Hello,
Hello,
sir.
No,
good evening, sir.
Good
I'm
evening,
coming.
sir.
I'm coming. JJ, let Busi ask first.
Stop. I'm alive.
Oh yeah, Busi, we are waiting for
Hello,
you.
good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Okay, sir, my question is that as a newbie, you said
Yes.
something about YouTube channel.
Yes.
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Oh, okay. Which channel do you recommend us to start with? I'd like to subscribe to and to be listen to their videos and all.
Okay. Thank you very much for that question. So there are a lot of YouTube channels that I can recommend. Do you understand? So I can't really
Yes, sir.
pinpoint to a particular channel that you should go for this particular channel. Do you know the reason why? The reason why is that I did not really start from YouTube. Do you understand? I actually attended a class like this too, where someone actually put me through all the basics and everything. Do you understand? So then I just advanced to the more advanced hair. So like if I am just going to YouTube now, like I will just search it on YouTube. Do you understand? Anything that I'm looking for, I'll just search it. Let's say order block. I'll just search for like order block. You understand? So, but I think there is a girl that actually talked about a particular, like she compiled some YouTube channels. Do you understand? So I will look for that tweet and send it to the group and also post it on my status so that you guys can follow it up. Do you understand? But I will try as much as possible throughout these 2 weeks to put you through all what you need to learn.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So, JJ, you can ask your question.
Yeah, okay, sir. Good evening. Thanks very much for
Good.
today.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Regarding the types of traders, we will also categorize scalping too as day trading.
Yes. Why? Because as a scalper, what are you doing? When will you open the trade? Today, right?
Yes, sir.
When will you close it?
Okay, the same day.
Exactly. Now,
Okay.
you can still call all these people day trader. You open trade yesterday and you close it today. Everything is what?
In a day. Okay.
Yesterday, day. Close it today.
Yes.
Day. Do you understand? So they are day traders.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, and again, regarding top-down analysis,
Yes.
you said something. With someone too that also wants to, okay, let's say like now, as we go into the masterclass,
Yeah.
like someone that wants to become a scalper, would the person also have to be doing top-down analysis also?
They are even the one that do top down the most. Do you understand? They are the
Okay.
one that do the top down the most. They will just look at it. Okay, overall, the market is going up overall. Do you understand? But when they now refine to, let's say, like 15 minutes, they now see that, the market doesn't move in a straight line. It moves zigzag.
Yes, sir.
So they can just see that
Yes, sir.
top, that this thing is just about to retrace. So do you understand? They will just catch the retracements. You understand? They will already
Yes, sir.
know where to take profit. They will just take profits. Just so small profits like that. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I also want to ask another question regarding the classification of traders according to like their time frame, lot size, capital, and
Yes.
psychology. What do
Yes.
you think is the best fit for someone that wants to become a scalper?
We all know that all of us, we are retail traders, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for someone that wants to be a scalper, meaning that you want to close trade today and you want to open today and close today. So obviously what
Yes,
that
sir.
thing means is that you want to be a day trader. Because swing traders,
Okay.
they will hold for months, for weeks without closing. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand? And those type of people, they have what we call resilience. Like their market
Okay,
might
sir.
be in loss, and they will not close it. Those kind of people, they catch large RRs. Do you understand? But as a scalper, and you know what you are doing too, you can just be doing pa. Just be catching those small pips. Do you understand? But if you can see the grand scheme of things and also be a swing trader, is actually good. But the thing is that those swing traders, at times they might be in, like, let's say 100% profit. But the fact that they still never close their trade, one day news can just come out and to take them back to zero. Pa! Do you understand? So, and
Yes,
another
sir.
news can just come whereby you are waiting for the market to do something. You are not on the market yet. The market will just shoot up to where they to the their opposite side, positive side. Do you understand? So they will be in more profits. Do you understand? So everything has advantage, disadvantage. Do you get?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
And also, I also want to ask something. And also in the part of lot size,
Yes.
will you really someone that is a scalper, will you really advise the person to be using large lot sizes to be catching small moves with bigger prices to it?
Yeah,
Like the person
actually,
should just catch small pips, then catch a lot of money on it. Would you really
you
advise
can do
that?
it. You can, yes, you can do it. There's nothing you cannot advise on this trading. The best thing and the thing is that as long as you know what you are doing and you actually know your risk management very well. When we get to risk management, I'm going to teach you about something called position sizing. There are some people that
Okay,
they are
sir.
going to use big lots, like 100 lot size, or let's say 100x leverage. Do you understand? But the amount they are just going
Okay,
to
sir.
lose, the amount they are just going to lose is just $10. And some people will use one lot or with 1x leverage or anything, and the amount they are going to lose is $100. You now be like, why is this person that is using big things is losing small compared to someone that is using small, that is playing it safe, is position sizing. When we get to that aspect, I'm going to teach you. You understand?
Okay, sir.
We are going to get there, definitely. Yes.
Okay, and you also said something in our, I think in our first class. You talked, no, in our second class. You talked about or I think yeah, first or second class. You talked about capital.
Yes.
Okay, so what